Cattron has expanded the throttle capabilities for the CANplus CP1000 Advanced Engine Control Panel. The new CANplus Control Advanced Throttling and Control features provide you with more options to better control mechanically or electrically governed engines. In this video, we will introduce and demo Cattron's linear throttling feature. The linear throttling feature allows 4 to 20 milliamp transducers to indirectly control the throttling in proportion to the current. The range is linear. 4 milliamps equals the lowest RPM, 12 milliamps is the halfway point in the RPM range, 20 milliamps is the highest RPM. This is very useful with a PLC that is the master controller, or a 4 to 20 milliamp foot or hand throttle. Also, temperature control sensors. Enable and setup of linear throttling. This setup is for a single switch auto start for a master PLC. Set up the maintain transducer for linear throttling mode. Transducer 2 is the maintain transducer, so we will set that one up. For linear throttling, the range should be 0 to 100 with the units being percent. Next, we set up the RPM range, but that requires a tech level pin. We are now tech level. We can now set up the RPM range. For this demo, the RPM range is 1000 to 2000. 4 milliamps equals 0% equals 1000 RPMs, 20 milliamps equals 100% or 2000 RPMs. Auto start mode engaged. Start event active. The 10-second pre-start countdown begins. Warming up and ramping up the engine. We are now in linear throttling mode. 50% or 1500 RPMs. 100% or 2000 RPMs. Back to 50%. Now down to 0% or 1000 RPMs.